Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another episode, and today we are going to talk about something very simple but it can make a huge difference in your life. Parita, while having coffee today, you were telling me that just 20 minutes every day can change our future. Like, how is that possible?
Isn't it surprising?
Yes, absolutely.
Most people think that you can achieve success only through hard working, earning money, but I believe your future can be created by only 10 minutes of being present with yourself in the morning, and 10 minutes being present before sleeping can change your entire life.
Oh, so 10 minutes in the morning and 10 minutes in the night. Like, why is it important?
See, Vidhi, like in the morning and in the night before sleeping, your mind is in the most calmest form and it is like a sponge. So, if you start seeing negativity, you're on social media, you will soak in all those energies. But imagine if you start your day with a lot of gratitude, positive thinking, happiness, imagine how your day would be like.
Because just today morning when I woke up, I started watching some reels on Instagram and I saw one bad news, and I think that is really affecting me till now. So what is the biggest mistake according to you that people make in the morning?
See, you only have the answer, Vidhi. People wake up and they start scrolling on their phone instead of waking up, having gratitude for what they are doing throughout the life. They do not even open their curtains, but the first thing they open is their mobile phone. This is the worst thing we can do for yourself to ruin your day.
Yes, I agree to that. So what should we do instead of doing that?
You can just keep it simple. You do not have to touch your phone. Just take 3 deep breaths when you are on your bed itself, and just think of one gratitude you can flow throughout the day. It can be for your body, it can be for your family, it can even just be that you are alive today. Just take 3 simple breaths. You have gratitude, then you can ask, okay, what are the different possibilities available for me, my life? Maybe if you're in a business, you can ask for your business clients to show up. If you have a shop, you can ask for a lot of customers to flow in. For this, you can just keep on asking questions to the universe. How can you spend your day today? What else is possible today? These simple questions can change your mindset. So after asking these questions, you just have to close your eyes and just visualize what you would like your future self to be.
Oh, it's that simple. And I think it's very easy to do it every day. So, but what after that?
Simple. You just stretch yourself, you go for a walk, you dance, you move your body. The more you move, the energy moves too.
But what if I do all of this every morning but still have a bad day?
That's okay, Vidhi. Life is not about making all things perfect. There will be problems, there will be disappointing people around you. It's okay, you do not have to think of that. But when you are doing this, you will handle these situations differently and you will still feel calmer. And that's the real change we are looking for, right?
Yes, I agree. And what about the 10 minutes at night that you spoke of? Like, what should I do in the night then?
See, night routine is also really important as the day routine. Before sleeping, at least keep your phone away for 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Once you keep your phone away, you just sleep calmly. Think of 3 good things what happened throughout the day. Even if it did not, it's okay. You can just say, okay, I let go of whatever did not work out for me today. Even if you got some anger or something, you can say, let go of all that anger, fear, whatever came, and just relax. And then again, you get into that meditative position and keep on visualizing how you would like your future self to be. And once you have done that, what success and everything, whatever you're visualizing, it should synchronize with what you're thinking in the morning also. And then you just go to sleep.
I think everyone can try this because this sounds so easy and simple. Just this small habit of 10 minutes in the morning and 10 minutes in the night. Like, that's just 20 minutes in the whole day, right?
Yes, exactly. Your life doesn't change because of one big change what you have made. But these simple changes or routine what you follow daily can change your life. Try this for 21 days and do let me know.
Yes, surely. Thank you so much, Parita. Do try this 21-day habit of 10 minutes routine in the morning and 10 minutes routine in the night. And do let us know in the comments once you have done it. And do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you once again, Parita, for sharing these wonderful insights, and surely it will help so many people.
Thank you, Vidhi. And always remember, your energy creates your reality. So choose it with awareness.